Hey Cobb, let's see if I can make a video showing you how to do this stuff. So here you have your 3 pictures. I'm going to download all of these pictures and open up the containing folder. See if it works. There it goes. Okay, here's the files down here. Make this a little bit smaller. Okay, let me extract that. It's got the 3 JPEGs in it. I'm going to take these 3 files and copy them to the folder for Operation TACAMO. Copy those and go to Operation TACAMO right here, and I have the files on Bluehost, so go into that folder, and these are for motorcycle events. Let's see, right here, and I will create a folder inside here called Pics. New folder, Pics, and paste those 3 pictures in there. Alright, and I'll go back to this right here. Oh, it should have an HTML file in here. Let me get an HTML file from the other events. Let's see. Nope, not there. Caregivers. Okay, let me copy this HTML file. Copy. Go back to the motorcycle events folder and paste this HTML file in there. Okay, so that's the file name, index, and the file extension is HTML, so index.html. Let me open that up in the editor that I use. You could open up these HTML files in Notepad if you wanted to, you know. So here I have a text editor, and here's the actual code of a web page, and it's called HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It's just a way of telling the browser to show the information that's in this web page a particular way. You like use this font, make this font a particular color, that kind of stuff. And that's what you see right here is all of the styling information. First of all, before I get into that, let me change the title of this to motorcycle events. Motorcycle events. And come down here, and this is going to be motorcycle events. Alright, and here I have an example of an image that's inside here, and the name of the file is going to go right here. Those are the names of the 3 files that you gave me in the email. So let me just copy this whole line, copy, and paste it in here 2 more times. Now the names of the files, okay, the names of the files are, now let me view the details, a little bit easier. View details. So here's the name of the file, they're JPEG files. So I'm going to grab the file name and the extension. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take out the spaces, or just replace the spaces with hyphen. Because when you deal with spaces and file names, sometimes servers are particular. So I'm just going to take the spaces out of the file name. And let me just copy that so I don't have to type that over. And I'll call this 1. 2. And 3. And I can change these. Okay, so let me just copy that's the main picture. Okay, that's nice. And this next one is, oh, what is that? Those are memorials, obviously. Oh yeah. Okay. And this one, what a gathering. That's incredible. Okay. Actually, what did you say in your email? Let's see here. You said in the email, the first picture with all the bikes at the VA. Oh, let me just copy all of this text right here. Copy this text. Go back to my editor. And just paste all of that text right here. We had a friend that lived in Tuscaloosa. We went to go visit them. They moved back to Florida. They're up there by off the turnpike between Orlando and Ocala. I think it's called the Villages. Okay, first picture with all the bikes is at the VA hospital in Tuscaloosa, Alabama, where we visit patients and have lunch. That's pretty terrific. I love that you do this kind of work, or that you're involved in helping people. It's really terrific. Second pic is in the community park in Whiteville, Virginia. I've drove through, well, on the highway. That's right off 81, isn't it? Where we meet with the elementary school children. Let me just go like this so that I can see it. And the third picture. Okay, so the first picture is with all the bikes, and what did I call that? Is this one with all the bikes? Yeah. So that's the first picture. The second picture is in Whiteville. Did I get it right? Nope. Okay, so this one is number 3, and this one is number 2. Oops. Okay. So I'll just take this file name and the extension .jpg, copy that, and paste it right here in the HTML. Paste. And paste. Paste. Change that 1 to 2. Change this 1 to 3. Alright, here we have some text. At the end of each text, I'm going to put well, let me just do it like this. So I'm going to put an HTML tag called VR, and that'll create a break between those two lines of text. And this one right here goes to the end. save this, I like to indent things so I know that these 3 things are inside the paragraph tag. In fact, I can just remove them out of the paragraph tag. P stands for paragraph. So now they're just inside this division where it has a class that keeps everything pushed to the left inside this division. Think of it like a block. And indent them so it kind of shows that it's inside of this division. Here's the beginning of the division. And here's the end of the division. See how it has a slash div? Alright. Save this. Now, all that is a file inside of a folder called Motorcycle Events. I got one file and a folder that has 3 files, 3 images. So I have to take this Motorcycle Events folder and I have to upload it to the server. Now, before I upload it to the server, let's go check out Operation Tacoma. And I scroll down here and I can see there's Motorcycle Events. And it doesn't have, when I put the mouse over it, you can see that it turned over Veteran Services. You can see that there's a hand right there. That means that you can click on it. But when you go over Motorcycle Events, there's nothing there. So I have to edit this main page right here before I do anything. So I gotta go back here to index.html. This is the main home page right here, and here's the code right here where I have a hyperlink, a href tag is like an anchor or a hyperlink tag. So I need to have that for Motorcycle Events right here. So let me just copy one of these. Copy, and let me include that image. See, I should have this indented. Oh no, never mind, I'm sorry. I'll make this a little bit clearer. Okay. Here we have the hyperlink tag. It starts with the letter A, and then here you have the image inside this hyperlink tag, and here's the end of the hyperlink tag. Anchor tag is what they call it. So I need to create for demonstration purposes, I just need to make all of these hyperlinks so that they're indented correctly. What's that? Alright. Let's see here. Okay, so that's first responders. Okay, so let me copy this one. Copy. And let's put that right there. And then close it out. /A. Okay, this is going to go to Motorcycle Services, and the name of the folder that I have is called Motorcycle, not Services, Motorcycle Events. Copy. How come it's not going away? Okay. This is the name of the folder. Control V. I don't know how come I did that. So that's where it's telling it to jump. When I put the mouse over it, it's saying jump to this web page. HTTPS www.operationstacoma/ folder called Motorcycle Events. That's where it's going to go to when I click this image. Let's save that. So here I just modified this web page right here, and when I put the mouse over the motorcycle events, you'll see that it'll turn from an arrow to a hand. So first I have to upload these files to the server. So I use FTP program. FTP stands for File Transfer Protocol. I have to transfer these files from my laptop to the server called Bluehost. I think it's in Phoenix, Arizona. So let me connect to my server there and to Operations Tacmo on Bluehost. So now I'm connecting to the server. It's thinking about it. Oh, I guess I gotta click connect. Okay, so over here on the right hand side in this program called FileZilla, an FTP program, one of many programs you can get, but this is the pretty good one. I go to the folder. It's got a whole bunch on the server. There's just a whole bunch of stuff, okay? And where the files are kept, where the HTML files are kept on the Bluehost server is in a folder called public HTML. And here I have the different folders for the different things we're doing on Operation Tacmo, caregiver services, connected services, let's see, veteran services. And here is the index file that's currently on there. That file that's on the server right there, that index.html, is what you're looking at right here. And I need to change that file. I need to change this file right here with the file that I have on my laptop. So over here on the left hand side is my laptop, and let me find Operation Tacmo folder. There it is for Bluehost. Okay, and that file that I have on my laptop is right here. I need to upload that to the server. It's going to say, do you want to replace the file that's on the server with this one? And I say yes. Okay, do that. Now when I click refresh on this page right here, when I put the mouse over motorcycle events, it should go. I click refresh just now. Now you see how it turned from arrow to a hand. So when I click on it, it says file not found, and the reason why the file is not found is because I haven't uploaded the file that this is jumping to. The file that this is jumping to is right here. It's called motorcycle events. It's the folder, it's the index.html file that we created inside of this folder. So I need to transfer that whole folder over to the server. So upload this whole folder, and now when I click on this, it goes to Operation Tacmo, motorcycle events, and here's those three pictures. Why are they not showing? Well, we have to go look to see where the error is. Let me close this one. This is the main index page. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Did I not upload those? Run to the wall -1, 2, 3. Huh. Well, where are they? Let me make sure they're on the server. So I go into this folder that I just uploaded, motorcycle events folder, into the pics folder, and yes, those three files are right there. Pics / well, the file is on the server. Why it's not showing the file. it's not showing the images. Alright. Because those are lowercase JPG. And on the actual file that I uploaded, yeah, it's lowercase JPG, uppercase R, because servers sometimes they're case sensitive. Well, shoot, that should have worked, Cobb. Well, anyway, there you go. I'm going to end the video right there. I'll figure it out, and we'll take it from there.